In order to change the default Google account on Chrome, you have to go up to your profile image in the upper right-hand corner of a new tab or browser window, and you should see all of your accounts. So here's my main account here. This is the default account, and then I have other accounts down here below. You should see the word default on the one that is the main account. Unfortunately, the first step that we have to take is we have to sign out of all accounts. That's the first step we have to take, so go ahead and do that now. Once you've signed out, the next step is very important. You have to sign in with the account that you want to be your default account first. So make sure that this account that you sign in with first is the one you want to be your default account. So go ahead and go to sign in again. You'll see this option here if you hit the drop-down menu where you can choose which account to log into first. If you don't see it here, just go to use another account. I'm going to click on my main account to log into, so it'll become the default account. And then once I've done that, I can then go back up to my Google account in the upper right-hand corner. Right here, I've logged into my main default account. I then go to show more accounts and start signing into the other auxiliary accounts that I want added to this computer. Now, as you can see, when I log into the second account, this main one that I logged into first has the word default next to it. Now when we hit the drop-down menu in the upper right-hand corner and go to show more accounts, you'll see all of my different Google accounts, and the one right here that I want set to default is the one that I sign into first whenever I've signed out of all of my accounts. And that's it. That's how you change your default account on Google. If you have any questions, please put those in the comment section below. I'll have some frequently asked questions and a pinned comment, and we'll see you guys in the next video.